In this lesson, we are going to learn about angle. Here, I am drawing an angle which is denoted by alpha. How this angle is created? You see, when two lines intersect in a single point, at that time some free spaces are originated. Here two lines are meeting in a single point and four free spaces have been created. So these free spaces will be called as the angle. Here are those four angles. Now, if we see this picture, we can have a clear scenario of how an angle is created. If this angle is alpha, then this alpha can be 30 degree or 20 degree or 10 degree, whatever. The total round of angle will always be 360 degree. Here is the one round. This one round will be 360 degree. So here, if this angle is 30 degree, then the rest of the total angle will be what? 360 degree minus 30 degree. That means 330 degree. So in this concept of angle, here I draw two lines intersect in a single point perpendicularly. So here the total round of the angle is 360 degree. The total round is 360 degree. The starting point is here and the finishing point is here. So here the angle is 0 degree at here, 0 degree to 360 degree. So the angle basically increases according to the quadrant. We should say this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each quadrant has a value of angle of 90 degrees. So if we see closely from here to here, the angle moves 0 to 90 degree, and from here to here the angle increases 90 degree to 180 degree, and from here to here 180 degree to 270 degree, and from here to here 270 degree to 360 degree. So each quadrant the angle is theta plus 90 degree. The angle is theta. So each quadrant has 90 degree and it increases accordingly. This is the basic concept of angle. If we again see some of the problems like this is an angle, and this line and this line will be called as leg, the leg of the angles. The angle is here. Basically here two angles are created. Whenever two lines will meet a single point, some angles will be created, and here two angles are created. We have discussed earlier.